Planned obsolescence, products that are designed to fail. Planned obsolescence is the practice of deliberately designing products with a limited useful life, compelling consumers to replace or upgrade them more frequently than would otherwise be necessary. It's a strategy that boosts short-term profits, but often comes at the expense of long-term trust, sustainability, and consumer satisfaction. The concept dates back to the early 20th century, when manufacturers began realizing that if products lasted too long, people wouldn't buy new ones. The infamous example is the Phoebus cartel of the 1920s, where light bulb manufacturers allegedly agreed to limit bulb lifespans to increase repeat sales. Today, planned obsolescence shows up in more subtle and sophisticated ways. Smartphones slow down after software updates, batteries are glued in and hard to replace, and repair costs can be higher than buying new. Printers may display error messages that prevent use even when ink is still available. These aren't always technical necessities. They're often design choices. Some companies also engage in perceived obsolescence, making older models seem outdated through aesthetic changes or new features that aren't always essential. While defenders of the strategy argue it drives innovation and economic growth, critics highlight its environmental and ethical implications. Millions of tons of electronic waste are generated each year, much of it from devices that could have lasted longer if designed differently. The right to repair movement has gained momentum in response, pushing for laws that require manufacturers to make products more durable, fixable, and transparent about their lifespans. Planned obsolescence isn't just about broken gadgets. It's a reflection of how modern consumerism is built on cycles of disposal and replacement. And as more consumers demand accountability and sustainability, the pressure is mounting for companies to rethink the design-to-die mentality. Stay tuned for more insights into business and the social sciences. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dag, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.